friends, I am CA Pratiksha. I welcome you all in your YouTube channel. Friends, when we have a larger database and we will scroll in our data, you will also see that the heading is not appearing. Means when I will scroll like this or when my data is in column, I don't see the heading and I may not be able to see the first column and first row. So in today's video, we will see how to solve this type of issue. First of all, we have to go to this view menu. In that, you have to just click on this freeze pen. In this, first of all, we will see how to freeze the first top row. So I will just select freeze top row. If I will click on this, you will see when I will scroll the mouse, the first line, which is this one, will be freeze by Excel. The point to be noted is I can put my cursor anywhere and I will select this option and Excel will freeze only first row. How to unfreeze means how to remove this, just click on this and again you have to click on unfreeze pen. Now we will see how to freeze this first column. So in that case, you can put your cursor anywhere in the data. Again, go to freeze pen. In that, there is an option freeze first column. So when I will click on this, you will see there will be one line and I will just move the cursor. Yeah, see friends, the first column is freeze by Excel. I will again do it unfreeze. Okay, unfreeze. Now you will tell if I want to freeze this first line as well as first column, this first column and first line, how you can do that? If you will put the cursor anywhere in the data, let's check whether it is working or not. I will just click on this and I will click on this freeze pen. So in this case, you will see it will be freeze from the location where you have put your cursor. So again, you have to very cautiously put your cursor. So I will again remove this. Again, I will unfreeze the pen. Now, if I want to do it over here, means first or rather heading and column. So I will put my cursor for better understanding. I will do it and highlight with color. Yes, I will put my cursor over here. I will just go to view and in that freeze pen and I will click on freeze pens. Now we'll see there is a line horizontal as well as vertical. So if I will scroll the mouse, you will see the heading is at the same place. And if I will just move on the right side, you will see the month or A column is also freeze by Excel. And again, I will just unfreeze the pen. If you will fail, because still this is a very tough task, then I will also show you the another way to use this type of function. And in that case, we will just click on this split option, which is there in the same view menu. So what split will do? Split will divide your window into different panes. So I will just do a click. Split. You will see there is one silver line which is placed by Excel, and if I will move the data, it will move. If I will move the data on the both side, you can move. If you want to remove it or if you want to change the location, you can just drag it. I will also just drag it from here to here. Yeah. Now if you will want to see the first 5 invoices and last 5 invoices, you can do it with this. You can see friends, first 5 invoices or first some invoices and last 5 invoices you can easily view by the use of this split function. Now we'll tell if I want to remove this, how I can remove this. Just do a double click over here. Yeah, see friends, it is easily removed from your database. Friends, if you feel I have added 1% to your knowledge, please like the video. Thank you very much. Keep smiling. Take care.